Got the boys long jump class 3 underway. That's a final for them.
Class 3 boys long jump. We're getting an update that the competitor from Calabar, Imani Samuels, has dropped out because of injury.
This is a Marian Chantelope of Clarendon College. Takes off from behind the board there, but gets the white flag.
5.70 meters. Paul Thompson, formerly of Monroe College, has a record for this. It's one of the longest standing records in the book. 6.97 meters, set in 1996. That's a 30-year-old record, you know. Paul Thompson was outstanding in athletics and brilliant in football. Saw him play as a goalkeeper in the Acosta Cup competition.
This is
Joel Patrickson of Kingston College.
He sits in the bronze medal position for Kingston College. 5.95 is best. This is 4th round attempt. Looking to improve on his bronze medal effort of 5.95 meters.
Important from a scoring standpoint that he gets as much more distance than that to go to the lead. Nice on the board. He's 5.95 in round number 3, and that 6.11 moves him to first. So Nathan Neal here is relegated to second from Jamaica College, but that 6.11, a big performance from Joel Patrickson to put Kingston College in first. Romario Franklin of Titchfield, he should be up next. He's 5.99 and he sits in third.
Talk about a clutch performance.
And Patrickson, he got the silver in the high jump as well. So now he holds the gold medal position after that 6.11 meters effort we just witnessed.
Big effort that was.
Yeah, waiting the mark for Franklin. Now it's Nathan Neal Hears, their anchor leg on their 4x1. He the early leader from 6.00 meters in round number 2. He one of the favorites for this gold medal. Spencer and Daniel, can he find something clutch in round number 4?
He's asking for the crowd support, looking to respond to Patrickson of KC taking the lead.
This is Neil Hears from Jamaica College. Just didn't get it right, especially in the last 2 phases. The takeoff, the flight, and the landing. We're going back